Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money on PhonePe. So if you follow this method, then you will be able to send money to whomever you like. So let's get started. So first you need to open the PhonePe app. Here in the dashboard you can see transfer money, and under this there are 4 options. One is to mobile number, second is to bank and UPI ID, third is to self account, and the fourth one is to check balance. So if you want to send money to any mobile number registered with PhonePe, then you just select this option. So here you get your full contact list. If you want to send money to any of your contact member, then you select it from here, or otherwise just click here and click on new mobile number or enter your mobile number, whatever the mobile number is. And if you want to send money to a particular person from your contact list, then select that person or his contact. For demo purpose, I'm just entering 100 rupees, and here you can see the name of the person you are transferring money to. So now you need to select the bank account. So you need to click here and select the bank account from which you want to transfer money. I am selecting my Axis Bank account, and now I will click on continue, and now I will click on pay. Now I need to enter the 6-digit UPI pin. I have entered it, and I will click on tick, and now you can see the payment has been successfully made. So this is how you transfer the money to a person on your contact list. Now click on done. Now if you want to send money to a particular bank account or a particular UPI ID, then click here. Here you can see the bank accounts which I already have added. If you want to add a new bank account, then click here and select the bank, then enter the account number and IFSC code. That's the process. And if you want to send money to a particular UPI ID, then click here. You can select it from here which you already have added, or if you want to add a new UPI ID, then click here. Now enter the UPI ID. So I have entered a UPI ID, and this UPI ID is registered on the name of Unnati De. So now you can enter a nickname or just click on save. Now you need to enter the amount, and the rest of the process is same as before. So this is how you send money on PhonePe to whomever you like. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.